Welcome back guys, and today we are going to learn how to copy anything in a circle. So I have couple of shapes over here and you can see that they are in a circle. So how did I do that? So today we are going to learn how to do that. Let me zoom out a little and let's put all of these over here. I will press Ctrl or Command Z to zoom in into the canvas. Okay, so first I will go over here and select the ellipse tool and let's create a circle over here in the middle. Let's keep it blue. After that I will go over here, select the polygon tool and let's create a triangle. If you want to create a triangle, simply hit the down key and it will remove all the edges. So I have this triangle over here now. Let's make it a little bigger and change its color maybe. Okay, so let's put it in the middle. Basically I want this triangle to be around this circle. There are two ways I can do it. Number one, first I can make a copy of it and bring it down over here. Then I can invert it like this. Then I can select both of these, make another copy and put them like this. Then I will select all of these, make another copy and put them like this. Okay, I have to admit this was the way I used to do it too, but this is not the proper way to do it. First of all, it takes a lot of time. What if I want to put exactly 29 of these? So how will I calculate the gap between them? So let me delete all of these and we will make it from the start. Okay, so first I will select this triangle obviously, and after that I will go to rotate tool over here. This is called the rotate tool and the short key is R. I will simply click on it and you can see a point over here. Okay, so basically we can adjust it. I will come down over here in the middle of the circle and while pressing Alt or Option I will simply click over here. So the rotate tool has opened now, and over here I can set up a angle. Let's just say I want 30-degree angle, and now if I press copy, it has been copied 30 degrees to this one. So now I can press Ctrl or Command D to make multiple copies, and now we have a lot of copies over here, and that was so quick. But what if I want specific amount of triangles over here? How do I do that? Very simple. Let me press Ctrl or Command Z. I have selected the rotate tool. I will press Alt or Option and simply click in the middle. So we all know that a circle has 360 degrees. So I will press 360 over here and then divide it by the number of triangles I want. Let's just say I want exactly 17 triangles. This is also an odd and a prime number and this is really hurting me. But I will press copy over here, and now when I will press Ctrl or Command D, it will make exactly 17 copies. You can calculate them if you want. So how cool is this? Let's try on something else. I will put this one over here. So let's try making this one. Ctrl or Command 0 to zoom in. Let's create a star over here. After that, I will come over here and create an ellipse. Let's create one over here. Let's change its color, maybe I guess green, and simply put it over here. I'm putting it in the middle like this. Okay, so I want the circle to be exactly on these sides. Again, one way is that I can do this and this and this, but obviously this is gonna take a lot of time and it is not very efficient either. I will press Ctrl Z. So what I will do is simply click on the rotate tool, and in the middle I will press Alt or Option and click over here. So I want to make 5 copies of it. 1 2 3 4 5. So I will press 360 divided by 5 and hit OK. Not OK, I had to click on copy. Press Alt or Option again, click over here, 360 divided by 5, and I will click on copy. Press Ctrl or Command D, and we have exactly 5 copies over here. Simple. Let's zoom out, put this one over here, and let's make this one. So how did I make this one? Let me put this one over here so you could see it properly. It is actually very simple. Let me show you how. Let me put this one over here. So first I will select the ellipse tool, and let's create an ellipse like this one. After that I will select the direct selection tool, and you can simply manipulate it. Like I can click on this anchor point and maybe put it like this, or maybe click on this one and rotate it like this. I can do this. So there are multiple things you can do with it. Let me keep it like this. Let me bring it to the middle. So I will click on the rotate tool. So I want it to rotate from this point. I will press Alt or Option and click over here. And let's just put 30 degrees and hit on copy. Just press Ctrl or Command D, and we have this very nice pattern. Not a pattern, but a flower like shape. So basically this is how you can rotate anything in Illustrator. I hope this was fun for you. See you guys in the next tutorial.